Intermittent fasting, or IF, is a popular weight loss trend. However, it is more than just a trend. IF is a different way of thinking about eating. It is not about what you eat. Instead, it focuses on when you eat. With IF, you cycle between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. This is not a starvation diet, you are simply changing your eating schedule. Many different IF methods exist. One common method is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast and only eat between noon and 8 p.m. Another popular method is the 5-2 diet. With this approach, you eat normally for 5 days a week. On the remaining 2 days, you restrict your calorie intake. IF is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It is simply a tool that can help you to eat less and lose weight. IF may also offer other health benefits, such as improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. However, it is important to speak to your doctor before starting IF, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Intermittent fasting works by changing the way your body uses energy. When you eat, your body stores some of the calories as glucose in your liver and muscles. This glucose is your body's primary source of energy. When you fast, your body uses up its stored glucose. Once the glucose is gone, your body starts to burn fat for energy. This switch from burning glucose to burning fat is called metabolic switching. It is one of the key ways that IF can help with weight loss. In addition to burning fat, IF can also help to reduce your calorie intake. This is because you are eating for a shorter period of time each day. IF can also improve your insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body to use glucose for energy. When you are insulin resistant, your body does not use insulin properly. This can lead to weight gain and other health problems such as type 2 diabetes. IF can help to improve your insulin sensitivity by reducing your overall calorie intake and helping your body to use glucose more efficiently. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity in recent years as a weight loss tool. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that IF may offer other health benefits. These benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Improved insulin sensitivity is one of the most well-documented benefits of IF. Insulin resistance is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. IF can help to improve insulin sensitivity by reducing your overall calorie intake and helping your body to use glucose more efficiently. This can lead to lower blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of developing these serious health problems. In addition to its effects on insulin sensitivity, IF may also help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Studies suggest that IF can help to reduce inflammation by lowering levels of inflammatory markers in the blood. Section 4. Risks and considerations. While intermittent fasting can be a safe and effective way to lose weight and improve your health, there are some risks and considerations to keep in mind. It is important to talk to your doctor before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. For example, it is not recommended for people who are pregnant or breastfeeding. People with a history of eating disorders should also avoid intermittent fasting. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, should consult their healthcare provider before attempting intermittent fasting. It is important to listen to your body and stop fasting if you experience any negative side effects. Some common side effects of intermittent fasting include headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. These side effects are usually mild and tend to go away on their own after a few days. However, if you experience any severe or persistent side effects, you should stop fasting and speak to your doctor. Section 5. Practical tips for intermittent fasting. Starting intermittent fasting can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By following a few practical tips, you can ease into the process and increase your chances of success. Remember, consistency is key, but don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. One of the first steps is to choose a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle. The 16-8 method, with its 16-hour fasting window and 8-hour eating window, is a popular choice for beginners. Alternatively, you could try the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Experiment with different schedules to find what works best for you. During your eating windows, focus on consuming a healthy, balanced diet. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Stay hydrated by drinking water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee throughout the day, even during fasting periods. Proper hydration is crucial for overall well-being. As you progress, consider incorporating exercise into your routine. Physical activity, combined with intermittent fasting, can enhance your weight loss efforts and improve insulin sensitivity. Listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard, especially when you are first starting out. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more related videos.